This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you how to do a low impact Asian squat somatic healing movement style. And this will help with low back and hip pain as well as pelvic floor dysfunction. Goodness, Nova, what's up? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Oh, everybody knows to like, follow, and subscribe. Who doesn't want to power their healing? You will need a firm surface like a yoga mat on the floor. Lying on your back, knees bent, and soles of your feet touching the ground, bring your knees as close to your chest as you can, keeping your shoulders on the floor. Extend your arms in between your legs and grab the outside of the soles of your feet from the inside of your legs. This gets your legs and pelvis in the appropriate position to engage the pelvic floor muscles we want to engage. Then just gently rock. Nice side to side movement. Can't reach your feet? That's okay. You can use a yoga strap. I find it easiest to get the yoga strap in position first, then lay back. And while applying pressure with the strap so it isn't dropped, do the same motion as much as you can, ending with the gentle movement. Do this for 2 to 5 minutes a day. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.